So the remote has arrived and now it's time to unbox the new Apple Watch Series 5. This is my very first Apple Watch. I've never had an Apple Watch before, so this is a very new experience and I'm very excited to do this. The watch I bought was the Apple Watch Series 5 GPS plus cellular 40mm gold aluminium case and pink sand sports band. There's not much going on to do and let's just unpack this thing. So Apple is very easy and it just says here to pull, so let's just pull. Okay. And now here is just to open. Oh my god. Ah! And then open. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Do you see this? Wait. Do you see this? How cute is this packaging? Wow. And I've also got two cases. So this is the Apple Watch and this is the case. Ah! Okay. So I'm gonna do the Apple Watch first. Oh my god. A moment of truth. Wow! Oh my goodness! This is so cute. This little case. Ah, here it is. Put it in the back. And then in here we have got the charger. And then the socket, or I don't know what it's called. And depending on where you live, you'll get a different one. And obviously I'm in the UK, so I have this one. And that's really cool that you can like close it. It's very cool. Now let's do the band. Let's take out my Apple Watch. I'm honestly going to put this in the case all the time. This is such a cute case. It even has instructions on how to put it on the band. Wow! Wow, I really like the texture of this. And then let's assemble this. And there we go. Okay, and now to turn it on. Ah, it's turning on! So now I need to connect it. iPhone out of date. Your iPhone is out of date. Before you can pair your iPhone, you have to update to the latest version of iOS. Update now. Okay, so I need to wait before it's going to update. I'm not quite sure how long. Hopefully it's not going to take that long. 2 hours? I guess I'll see you guys in 2 hours then. Okay, so I am back now, and so now my phone is updated and all that. So now let's actually do that. My Apple Watch is paired. Connecting your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. Signing into your account, this may take a few minutes. Sign in with Apple ID, sure thing. Enable route tracking, of course. Shared settings, yes, okay. Apple Watch passcode. When you set a passcode, Apple Watch locks. Create passcode. There we go. Activity. Set up activity. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Continue. Apple Pay. Emergency SOS. Cellular setup. Set up cellular. Turn on cellular data. I'm not sure how to do this one. Okay guys, so this is going to take some time because I need to set up cellular stuff, set up my Apple Watch, and I think that the video would be too long. So I'm just going to end this video here. This is my new Apple Watch. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and icon so you can get notified when I next post a video. Also, to stay up to date with my life, follow my Instagram, which is @lydia.gymnast, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!